Hey guys, this is the Insta360 Flow Pro. This video is not sponsored and I purchased this using my own money. So when I purchased this, it came with a free flask as well as a free spotlight. But I think that offer is currently over. I think this is the instructional manual, and yeah, just leave it aside. In total, I paid about $188 including this $24 MagSafe phone holder. So this is the free spotlight that was included in the bundle. And yeah, this is the Insta360 Flow Pro. Let's take a look. This is the front, the side, the back, and the other side. The box feels nice, and yeah, let's take a look what's inside. They have these little flaps that are already half open for you, and that is pretty nice. This is my first ever gimbal, and I've decided on this after watching hours and hours of comparison videos comparing the DJI Osmos, the Zhiyun Q5, and the Hohem M6. And I believe at its price point, it offers the best features. The label here is numbered. There is a number 2 here. I believe this number corresponds to the number on the instructions that is on the pamphlet and on the box. Yeah, so there is a number 3 here. I believe that there is a step-by-step guide on how to set up this gimbal. Yes, let me just check. Yep, so the numbers corresponds to the instruction numbers. I think the cables and the phone holder is inside here. And yeah, there's nothing else in this box. Let's see the instructions again. The tape here is half open as well. It really makes peeling easier. In terms of features compared to other gimbals at this price point, I think the Flow Pro has the best form factor for portability. And in terms of accessories, the Flow Pro doesn't require additional sensors to use the native iPhone camera app, since it's using the Apple's dock kit. It also has a MagSafe phone holder, which makes it easy to attach on the go compared to a non-MagSafe phone holder, which you have to keep fiddling to make your phone balanced. What is this? Oh, this is the grip for the Flow Pro as well as the pouch. Here is the non-MagSafe phone holder. And a USB-C cable. There's a number 1 here as well, so I think this is the first step, which is to mount your phone on the clip. Here is the free spotlight. The tape here is not half opened, so it's a little more difficult to open it. Alright, got it. how do I take this out? All right. So the spotlight, you can change the direction of the spotlight. Next, we have here the overpriced piece of metal, the magnetic phone mount. And it doesn't come with a half open tip. Wow, the box is a little fancier compared to the other boxes so far. I guess that's what $24 get you. This looks the same as the instructions inside the box. And finally, we have the flask, the free flask. Now let's set up this gimbal. So here is step 2. For step 1, I have already attached the phone to the phone holder. And now is to mount the phone onto the gimbal itself. So after that, there is a step 3, and just flip it and it auto starts. So there is a little tripod at the bottom as well. You have to pull it quite forcefully down. So I don't think that you'll be loose in the future or while in use. So now let me pair it with the NFC. Alright, it's taking some time to process. And it's connected. Alright. I guess that's it. It's ready to use. Next, I'm going to try attaching the spotlights onto the phone while the phone is on the gimbal, as there might be a scenario whereby I need light, but I do not want to stop my footage. This is my first time trying it out, so yeah, that might be some mistake and it'll be better with practice. So the light has a clip and you simply clip it to the phone holder. The light is powered by the USB-C cable and you have to attach this to the gimbal itself. I think this was a bad first attempt. But yeah, I think once you get used to it, it should be fine attaching the spotlight on your phone while videoing using the gimbal without stopping your footage, of course. This is attempt 2. Alright, much easier. And for the cable, and that's it. You can turn the light facing you or away from you, as well as changing the color of the light and intensity of the light. And of course, switching it off as well. Now I'm gonna try the MagSafe phone mount. And that's it. It's pretty easy to use the MagSafe full mount instead of the one without the MagSafe. With this MagSafe full mount, you are unable to attach the spotlight. Yeah, so you either have to hold it or just leave it dangling. I want to better show you how the spotlight is being attached to the mount so that you have a better understanding of why the spotlight wouldn't work with a MagSafe phone mount. So to attach the spotlight to the phone mount, you just have to clip it on, and you have to have a surface that you can clip the spotlight onto. Whereas for the MagSafe, there isn't any other surfaces for you to clip onto it. Just wish that they maybe made a MagSafe phone mount with a clamp at the side so you still can attach a spotlight onto it. As you heard, the magnets on the MagSafe holder is pretty strong, but if you misalign the phone holder and the gimbal and try to twist and turn, not sure you heard that, but there's a scratching sound. This twist and turn would scratch your phone holder. Not sure if you can see the scratches there, but there are some there now. The last accessory for the Flow Pro is this grip holder. Pretty straightforward, just slot in the grip holder into the gimbal. It's pretty tight. It definitely does add to the grip as well as making it easier to hold. And it also doesn't affect the tripod. For my gimbal setup, I'll be using the grip. It makes it much better to hold on to. I'll be using the MagSafe phone holder as well. It's much convenient to just attach and snap it on, as well as the spotlight. Okay, bye.